Hello everyone, Dr. J here again. Today we're going to be talking about how to use the denneroll. So we're going to demonstrate how to use this. So it's very important. You can see how the denneroll is laid out. All right, so you have this apex right here, and then you have this little curve right here. So it does say shoulders on this side. So I'm going to lay this on the ground and demonstrate how to use it. So where it says shoulders this side, you're going to tuck that right up into your shoulders. Now, again, that middle to lower part of the cervical spine is going to be right on the apex, and you're going to lay here. Now, the denneroll is designed to be used every single day. You're going to start at 5 minutes for the first week, 5 minutes a day for the first week. Now, after the first week, you're going to go up a minute every single day. So 6, 7, 8, 9, up until 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Don't go more than 20 minutes. 20 minutes will be more than sufficient. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.